Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take a slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone, and here by default you will see photo mode. If you would like to get slow motion, you go to click on more button here, and you will have the slow motion option. Just to click on that. Yes, slow motion apps option is now enabled. Now you can shoot your video. So I am going to shoot video for slow motion. So bring any object under your phone camera, and you can start shooting. Just press this button to start shooting. Yes, it is now shooting, and I am recording the video. While recording, it will be like a normal video, but after finishing the video, and if you play the file, that will be in slow motion because you have selected slow motion feature. Okay, yes, I finishing the video, and I open the video that I took, and I play the video. Shooting, yes. See the result. Shooting, and see, wow, it is in slow motion. I am going to show you in landscape mode. See, wow, this is the slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In this way, you can shoot many slow motion video as per your wish. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.